Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. It's been brought to my attention that there are really slimy, crummy people out there stealing people's license plate stickers and their license plate. First of all, if your license plate is stolen, report it to your DMV, BMV immediately. File a lost plate report, tell them it was stolen. You do not want to be responsible for what those crummy people will do with your license plate. Just do it. Do it today. You're not going to find it. It's gone. They stole it. Now, we also have people stealing the stickers off your license plate. Now, your sticker on your license plate is licensed to the car, and it has the license plate number on the sticker. But you know, the police can't see that while they're driving around. They see the right color, date, month, year on the sticker, and they keep driving. They don't pick up that it's a sticker stolen from another vehicle. So I'm going to give you this tip of what to do to avoid your sticker from being stolen. You know, first of all, you could put your bolts on your license plate bracket on pretty tight. That makes it hard for them to get it off. Unless they got power tools or something like that. They like to get low-hanging fruit, the easy ones. Now, this car that I have, somebody actually bolted the license plate on with a different size bolt. Instead of 10 millimeter, they're 11 millimeter. So you could use an odd size bolt. That'll slow them down. I just purchased this vehicle. These people left the license plate on the vehicle. However, it has this plastic cover over the license plate. That prevents people that are stealing these stickers from getting your sticker off. So with this cover on there, they cannot steal a sticker. This cover may reduce some of the UV, preventing your license plate from decaying. I don't think it's a speed camera cover, nothing like that. Those are illegal, but you can use something like that to protect your stickers. Now, the ultimate thing you want to do to protect your stickers is once you put your stickers on, slice your stickers with a razor blade. That way, if they try to take them off, they'll come off in little pieces and they will not be usable. So once you stick your stickers on your license plate, get a razor blade and slice across it several times, just like that. Now, they may not see those slices, but if they try to peel that license plate sticker off, it's going to come off in little chunks. They're not going to be able to use it. So the first time they try to take it off, they'll stop. Okay, so here I sliced about 5 or 6 times that way. I sliced 5 or 6 times this way, and the sticker still looks fine, but let me tell you something. That thing will come off in 80 pieces if somebody tries to remove that. So there it is. The sticker's fine. Usually in my state, these stickers actually have the license plate number on them. This one doesn't, but the sticker looks fine. You can see the checker flags on it. If somebody tries to peel that off, it's coming off in little chunks. They usually get the fresh stickers because those still come off in one piece. They are not getting that sticker off of this vehicle in one piece. So that's my tip for today. Put your license plate sticker on, slice it with a razor blade, and no one can steal it in a useful way. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.